guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add a new contact on ClearBooks. So new contact as a supplier, customer, or maybe this contact is both customer and supplier to your business. So to add a new contact, we need to go to contact section and we can add customer or we can add a supplier. So for example, I will add a supplier, then click on add supplier here card. If you add a new customer, click on add customer. So add customer, the contact card for both suppliers and customers are similar. Only thing what changes is that there is, instead of customer invoice defaults, there would be supplier invoice defaults, and the same customer bank details would be supplier bank details. Okay, so let's add details. Customer, I will have, for example, events limited. If I have contact details, like I have Peter Brown, I can add it here. I can also add email address and phone number there. Under preset information, this is a place where I can select if this customer is actually also my supplier. So from drop-down list, I can select that this customer is also my supplier. Okay, now you have one additional section available where you can add supplier invoice defaults. So under customer invoice defaults, I can allocate account for this income or revenue stream. So I will select just revenue. VAT rate, I have not VAT rate at this moment, but if you VAT register business, you will select your applicable rate. Default bank account will be current account in my case, and also I give 7 days after invoice date for this customer to pay for their invoices. Under supplier invoice defaults, I can select where bills would be recorded. In my case, they will go to costs of sales. If you are part of VAT registered business, then you will of course select appropriate VAT rate. I'm not tracking VAT for this test purposes. And also I can change or add information about how many days this supplier would give me, to pay for invoices. In this case, I will say 7 days. Employment status doesn't apply if this is supplier to me, but if it's applicable, you can select if this actually also is a maybe director of a company. Okay. Next is invoice and delivery address. You can provide it here. So for example, I have postcode, Green Street, Green Town, so fill in details. If delivery address is different, add it here. Other information includes VAT number, company number. If you have Skype, website or fax information can be provided as well. And under additional contacts, additional contact details can be provided. Once you have filled in information, click on save. So now if I go to customer list and click on alphabetical filter, then events are my customer. And when I click on suppliers and click on letter E, events also is my supplier. So in this episode, I showed you how you can add a new contact. It can be either customer, supplier, or maybe both on ClearBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my ClearBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.